Hi everyone, this is Carol Macrae here, and we've just completed our Level 1 Reiki Workshop here in Dubbo. So I've just rearranged the room. This is the Red Earth Natural Healing Centre, and it's in Macrae Street in Dubbo. It's a beautiful venue. I've just changed things around, so I've now got all my beds up on the end here for tomorrow's workshop. And I've got all my beautiful chairs in the middle in a circle so that we'll be able to just all sit around and share the energy, send an energy pathway around the room. And we had 6 beautiful people coming today. Thank you, everybody. It's just been a magical weekend so far. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Today, our Reiki students, they learn how to see auras, to feel auras. They learn how to let that energy flow around in a room, in a circle. They learn how to channel Reiki energy and balance chakras. They learn how to do a full treatment on somebody else, but also on themselves. They've learned about finding their ground colors for their own aura, so it'll give you a little bit more insight into yourself when we do this kind of work. And they've just really had a wonderful weekend so far. They're all coming back tomorrow with 2 extra people who are coming back just to do their level 2. Tomorrow, when we get together, we will be going over the basics again that we've learnt today, because I love it when my students really feel confident with what they're doing. So we'll be going over all the basic hand positions for balancing chakras. We'll be learning some mental and emotional healing. We'll be learning how to do distance healing. And over here, I've got my little teddy bears, just a few little teddy bears on the ground. And those little teddy bears we use when we're doing distance healing so that we can build a bridge between the teddy bear that represents that person that we want to send healing to and that person. And once we do that, once we build a bridge, then we can send some Reiki healing to them. And so tomorrow, level 2 increases that energy again. It's been an absolutely magical weekend so far. We'll be doing spiritual work that we are doing, not just the physical hands-on healing. We'll also be doing psychic protection, doing lots of other things like that too. Learning some of the other Japanese Reiki techniques, using pendulums. A lot of things we cover in these workshops that are not traditionally Reiki. But what I found is over the last 22 years or 21 and a half years I've been doing Reiki and teaching it, the whole thing has evolved. So here is the Reiki Level 2 manual. Now, when I did my Level 1 and 2, there were no manuals, but now they've evolved into, 130 pages or whatever, because every time somebody asks me a question, if I don't know the answer or if I think it's really useful, I'm going to put it in the next manual. And what I also do is I have those manuals online so that if any of my students want to upgrade and their manuals, all they've got to do is let me know and I'll send them a link. And we've also got a beautiful little mandala here too, the heart, and some beautiful crystals in the center, and some cards with positive affirmations. So thank you everybody that came today. I really look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you for everybody else that's talked to me about Reiki and wants to know a little bit more. Feel free to call me. My number is 041 334 6637. You can also jump online. It's just carolmacrae.com. You can make appointments for treatments. You can also book in a workshop, but you can find out more information. And that way you'll find out whether Reiki is the thing that's going to shift your life. I also today did another technique called kinetic shift, which is one of my hypnotherapy techniques. One of our beautiful girls had a really bad back, and within 5 minutes we got rid of that. So I just love energy medicine, and I love having these tools to be able to help others. So I hope you all have a wonderful evening. I look forward to tomorrow, and namaste, thank you. And I'm just so excited I get to do this wonderful work. Have a great night, guys, and I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see those beautiful participants tomorrow. Namaste.